G'day, I'm Adam from Kindred Property Group and welcome to Unit 1, number 14, Yacht Street in the beautiful seaside suburb of Clontarf. How magnificent is this unit? Why don't you go check it out? I know you're going to love it. What a pristine unit. Apart from being the only one available on the ground floor, I think for me, my favourite part would have to be the tranquility and privacy the unit has to offer. I love the established gardens and just a 2-minute walk to the waterfront, and I know you will too. So call me today to make it yours.